time. Let's take a look at these developments. As far as a special alert is concerned, this is a big story we are breaking at this hour. As far as the investigations are concerned, we have details of a special alert for a particular Red Ford EcoSport DL10CK0458. If one finds it, that's the story that we are breaking at this hour. This is the information that has been given out. And the special alert is for this particular vehicle, which is a suspected vehicle. All staff outside on patrolling are picket to be fully armed. It's a worrying situation though. There is a suspected car and staff outside on patrolling or on picket are to be fully armed. This is a special alert that has come in for interception of a particular car, and we'd like to repeat these details. Red Ford EcoSport. Shreya is getting more on that story. Shreya, all staff outside on patrolling are picket to be fully armed. Where is this car? Where rather has this car been spotted? Talk to us about the details that you have for us. How is this a suspected car now? What more can you tell us?
Well, what we are right now learning, Sneha, important details breaking in India today. This car, as of the information available right now, is also linked to the suspect of the Delhi terror blast. This is a Red Ford EcoSport, which bears the number DL10CK0458. This was registered on 22nd of November 2017. Registration was done in Rajouri Garden, Delhi, and it was registered in the name of Umar Un Nabi. Remember, this is the same person who's linked to the Delhi terror blast. This is the information that we are getting right now, and this is a special alert that has been issued for interception of all red EcoSport, especially if it comes bearing the number DL10CK0458. This is something that the Delhi police will now be looking at an urgent manhunt operation, because somewhere down the line, any possibilities could take place.
Yeah, I want to ask you, the information that you all have with you is that this car, Shreya, is registered in the name of Umar Un Nabi. Registration RTO is Rajouri Garden in West Delhi. Who is this man, Umar Un Nabi?
Well, as I said, Sneha, the information from Delhi police is very clear. This is linked to the same suspect of the Delhi blast. So Umar Un Nabi is the suspect of the Delhi blast who drove that I-20 car here at the Netaji Subhash Marg, and this is the same car. The red EcoSport is registered in his name. This is the information that we are getting from the RTO details. The registration has been on 22nd of November 2017. It was registered at Rajouri Garden, Delhi. The car is registered in his name, and that is the reason we see the kind of manhunt that has been launched by the Delhi police. UP and Haryana police have all been alerted. Their check posts alerted. Delhi police has also been meeting multiple car dealers. Now they need to trace this car. Where it's a loan car, with whom it is. All these things are right now being traced down. That is what we're learning from our special sources in the Delhi police.
Shreya, I also want to get a sense of from you without, creating any sense of panic. That's not what we're trying to do here. But the fear and the concern, obviously, it is that this man is a terrorist, possibly, and is linked to the current Dr. Terror module that we are looking at. Investigating agencies are looking at, and this man is still free. So there is a bit of a concern and fear whether this car maybe could be having more explosives. Is there a possibility that the cops are looking at as well?
Well, we will not give any speculation, Sneha, but this is a situation which is a very volatile situation.
Okay.
One car blown up and there is a blast that takes place. So you cannot let a loose car alone. And that too in the name of the suspect who's basically been a part of that terror blast. So clearly, this is a huge piece of information that we're learning right now. And the Delhi police, that's why, is not leaving any stone unturned to trace the red EcoSport car as you see right now.
Okay, to tell our viewers who've just joined us, Shreya, be with us. It's a special alert that is coming in. Shreya is reporting on that with the advice of interception. All red Ford EcoSport vehicles, and there's been a lot of talk with car dealers across the NCR region as well. The car number DL10CK0458 is what is now being looked at as the suspected car. The car is registered in the name of Umar Un Nabi. Registration RTO is Rajouri Garden, which happens to be in the western part of Delhi. Shreya is getting in more on that. Shreya, is this just one car, or is this unraveling even further, and we'll have more information?
Well, this is one car right now that is linked to his name, because remember, once Umarun Nabi's investigation and background details were being verified, the Delhi police landed on this particular car. So that is the reason they are now looking at where this car is, where it is parked right now, and that's the reason the kind of manhunt operation is right now under its way. So clearly, this is a very serious situation, and as we talk, this is also something that the Delhi police has reached out to all their units. All red EcoSport cars needs to be looked at, especially, I will repeat that car number that also has been shared with us, DL10CK0458. It's a DL10CK0458 red EcoSport car that the Delhi police is looking at.